Hi, today I'm gonna unbox Turbo HD camera Hikvision with 8 megapixel resolution. I think it's the most affordable model on the market with such resolution. So let's see what's in the package. Of course, you have the quick start guide, you have user guide, and of course drill template for easier install. The mounting screws. So let's see the camera. As I said, it's a Turbo HD camera and it has BNC connector and supports all available standards as TVI, AHD, CVI and CVBS. The camera has small form factor, it has fixed lens and the night mode is up to 30 meters. It can be used both indoors and outdoors. Using that button here, you can easily switch between TVI and CVI and so on, so that it can be used almost with each and every recorder available on the market. That's all for now. Don't forget to like, share the video and subscribe the channel. Thanks.